I'm just telling you from what I've learned. Make sense? But those are my core that I like to do. And another one to put like icing on the cake, I love bent over rows, barbell bent over rows. It gets that upper back. I mean, or T-bar. You can do T-bar, but I'm always back, big pull and pulling. Pulling. That's why I get the thickness on my back and my traps, rhomboids, all that. That's what I love to do on the weights when I like to go in the weight room. Rarely I'll do raises. I may do them every once in a while, or curls. I don't do a lot of them. My arms have always grown. My arms, they grow. They grow easily because I'm proficient and I know what I'm doing with calisthenics. I mean, that's the truth. It's just how it is. I know what I'm doing when it comes to carving out my arms. Because I always tell people when it comes to doing arms and calisthenics, when you're doing arms, it's better to do calisthenics over weights. People will argue with me all the time, and I hope I chop this up. I'm going to say it to the camera one more time. If you want bigger arms and cut arms, I will always say do calisthenics over your weights. Always. Calisthenics over weights when arms. I'm going to explain it to you. Explain to you why I pick calisthenics over weights when it comes to arm development. Think of it this way. The average guy gets 25 to maybe 40 pounds when they're curling. I'm curling. Or they're here with it, about 80 pounds. I'm curling. That's cute. That's wonderful. Your pressure is getting about 80 pounds, 40 pounds each on each arm, right? That's a lot of pressure. And you're even going slow with it, concentrating. It's wonderful. You're doing a great job. You'll get some development. I believe you'll get a lot of development if you're on steroids, because y'all like to watch steroids people and want their same arms. It's not going to happen. We're natural. Or you can get up on that bar and do chin-ups or close grip pull-ups. Why you ask, calisthenics workout complex? Why? If you weigh maybe average guy 140 to about 200 pounds, right? If I have all this pressure down, do you think when I'm hanging, am I pulling over probably at least 100 pounds, correct? So now you're putting about 100 pounds resistance on your arms when you're pulling. And you're able to pull and big stretch. The bigger the stretch and the bigger the squeeze creates stronger arms. It's all about the stretch and the squeeze. So when I'm doing a chin up, and I'm here, this is all my weight is pulling on these biceps, correct? Big stretch, and I'm pulling. Boom. That's 100 and some change of tension on these biceps when I'm pulling. So when I tell people calisthenics over weights when it comes to biceps, which one is going to get more curvature, create more veiny look, create more mass and lean muscle when it comes to your biceps? You do what you want to do. Over here, we're doing it the correct way. I'll have a lot of people in the comments say, oh, you're wrong. I don't really care. I know what I'm talking about. You do it yourself. You don't believe me? Do straight. When you go to arm workouts, do more calisthenics. And then switch over and do more weights. You'll see which one burns more or which one grows. You got to learn things on your own sometimes. Don't always listen to influencers or me or bodybuilders on steroids. Try things on your own. Because most people that have something to say in the comments, they don't really do it. They don't really do the workouts. But this is an awesome live today. We taught a lot today. We had a lot to say. I made some people mad. And number one, we talked about God. I loved it. Today was a good one today. So I appreciate it. We're going to go ahead and get up out of here. Rewind it if it didn't make sense. Today we hit a lot of reps. If you want to do this exercise, I would presume that you would do at least 15 to 20 sets between 5 and 10 reps of each exercise. Try your best to do a minute and a half between that tri-set. Test yourself. Play with the reps, play with the sets. But this is an awesome workout if you want to be able to get that thin waist, get those lower abs, get strong biceps, and work on those lats all at the same time. Hit that like as y'all leaving. And we ended the same exact way. I appreciate everybody who appreciates me. You know, I still love everybody who hate me. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. What my wife want? All right. Salute to everybody that came through today. Appreciate y'all, man. Salute. Appreciate everybody that came through, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Salute everybody. Appreciate y'all. Hit that like for me, man. Appreciate everybody that came through.